I used to think good parties needed a DJ until JBL PartyBox 120 Honest Reality hit.
You're 2 hours into hosting, and the energy's already leaking out like air from a punctured balloon. People cluster in corners, phones glow brighter than smiles, and you catch yourself apologizing for the music. Type embarrassed if you're living this right now. Why do some gatherings feel electric, while yours quietly fade into background noise nobody remembers? It's crushing watching a night you poured money and hope into die because the sound can't hold the room hostage. The vibe slips away, and you can't grab it back. What if one single box made the music actually command attention instead of begging for it? Stay right here because I'm handing you the glitch that changes everything. Then I flipped on the JBL PartyBox Club 120, and the entire atmosphere flipped with it, like someone finally turned the lights on in a club that had been running on candles. Powerful JBL Pro Sound with real 160-watt punch and deeper bass that doesn't distort even when you punish it. Futuristic Lightshow throwing starry trails and strobes that react to every beat. True 12-hour battery, plus replaceable cell, so the party literally never has to end. Foldable handle and balanced weight that makes moving it stupidly easy. IPX4 splash-proof body that laughs at rain and spilled drinks. Dual mic and guitar inputs with individual echo and karaoke tuning that turn random friends into the main act. Auracast wireless linking for stereo or massive chains of speakers. Bass boost and voice boost buttons that flip the energy on command. 3 a.m. rooftop, battery on my old speaker dead, crowd thinning fast. I was done. Rolled this in, hit play, and 40 people who were leaving suddenly screamed for more until sunrise. You feel the bass in your bones, see the lights paint faces in colors that don't exist in nature, and there's one secret app setting that makes everything twice as lethal when you know it. Nights that used to fizzle now explode and keep exploding. Hours of music without plugging in. Clarity that cuts through conversations. Crowds that refuse to leave when the sun comes up. The engineer who tests million-dollar festival rigs told me straight, this thing shouldn't sound this clean at that volume, period. Top party influencer Alex D M'd me after his own event. I left my $3,000 setup at home and just brought the Club 120. Best decision I ever made. Independent lab report clocked 11.8 hours at 80% volume with lights blazing, zero compression. Real user at Tina Vibes last week plugged my guitar in at the beach, random crowd of 60 people sang with me until security shut us down, still had battery left. Watched my boy Marcus, tone deaf as hell, grab the mic at his own birthday, karaoke mode kicked in, lights hit him like a spotlight, and grown men were crying, laughing, and cheering like it was a stadium show. Biggest excuse I hear? I don't want to carry something heavy. Then they lift it with one hand using the foldable handle and literally start laughing at their old tiny speakers. This is the one thing flooding my inbox every single day, how linking two of them with Auracast makes the bass feel illegal. Comment the word legend if you're ready to ruin every other speaker for yourself forever. Your nights don't have to end with, yeah, it was cool, and polite goodbyes anymore. One decision turns good gatherings into the stories people still bring up years later. Join the ones who stopped settling and started owning every room they walk into. First link in description, pinned to the very top, because I'm not letting you talk yourself out of this one. Click it now. Grab your JBL PartyBox Club 120 and watch what happens when the music finally fights for you instead of against you. You already know what's coming. Do it.